Encouraging a growth mindset. Believing that success is fixed due to fixed reasons, such as natural ability, is described as having a fixed mindset, whereas believing that success is due to reasons you can change, like effort and persistent, is called having a growth mindset. Oh, I can't do this because I'm not talented in that area. That's called having a fixed mindset. But if you say, I can't do this yet, and I can learn how to do this, I can practice doing this, that's having a growth mindset. Have a moment to think about how your students see themselves as STEM learners and how you can create a growth mindset in your classroom. Encouraging a growth mindset can increase the sense of belonging and break down stereotypes. Students need to see themselves as belonging in STEM, encouraging them to realise that it's a process of growth, not something that's blocked from them. Students young as 6 hold stereotypes that boys are better than girls in STEM. This is looking at breaking that down. Engage girls in hands-on problem-based collaborative challenges, and calling the students researchers or scientists or coders can help students, especially girls, see themselves as scientists. Regular opportunities to give and seek feedback from peers and teachers can be big motivators for STEM learning for both boys and girls. What are some classroom things we can do? Help students see themselves as STEM people. Present girls with relatable STEM role models. Again, it's showing role models that girls can relate to. That's really strong. That's something they can see that I can get to that place. I can grow into that. That person didn't start off doing STEM, but they're doing it now. Provide opportunities for self-reflection in STEM learning. Again, seeing yourself as being able to step to learn to get to somewhere. That means that I have to work out where I am now and how I'm going to get there. And that needs self-reflection time. And lastly, support students in receiving and using feedback to learn, learning that it's okay to make mistakes. That's part of how we learn. It doesn't mean you're bad at something. It just is part of the learning process.